My children. My name is Sarah. I am a mother. I have 3 children. Their names are Liam, Emma, and Noah. They are my joy and my pride. I want to tell you about my children. Liam is the oldest. He is 10 years old. He is smart and funny. Liam loves to play soccer. He plays every Saturday with his friends. He is very good at it. He practices a lot. I like to watch him play. He runs fast and scores many goals. Liam also likes to read. He reads books about superheroes. His favorite book is about Spider-Man. He tells me stories from the book. He enjoys sharing what he learns. I love listening to him. It makes me happy. Emma is my middle child. She is 7 years old. Emma is creative and kind. She loves to draw and paint. Every day, she makes beautiful pictures. She draws flowers, animals, and her family. I have a special wall for her art. I like to show it to my friends. Emma also likes to dance. She takes dance classes every week. She learns new moves and makes new friends. I love watching her dance. She smiles and has so much fun. Sometimes, she puts on shows for us at home. She dances to her favorite songs. Noah is my youngest child. He is 4 years old. Noah is playful and curious. He loves to explore. He asks many questions. Why is the sky blue, or where do birds sleep? I like to answer his questions. He is always learning. Noah enjoys playing with his toys. He has many action figures and cars. He creates stories with them. He pretends they are on adventures. I watch him play, and it makes me smile. He has a big imagination. Every day is an adventure with my children. In the morning, we eat breakfast together. We have toast, eggs, and fruit. I like to make their favorite pancakes on weekends. They love pancakes with syrup and fruit. We sit at the table and talk about our plans for the day. After breakfast, we get ready for school. Liam and Emma wear their school uniforms. Noah wears his favorite t-shirt with dinosaurs. I help them pack their bags. They take their lunch and snacks. I always put a note in their lunch boxes. The note says, "I love you," or "Have a great day." Once they leave for school, I have some quiet time. I do housework and prepare for dinner. I clean the house and do laundry. I also like to read or relax. I enjoy my time alone, but I miss my children. In the afternoon, they come home from school. They are happy to see me. We talk about their day. Liam tells me about his soccer practice. Emma shows me her new drawing. Noah tells me about his friends. I love hearing their stories. We have dinner together in the evening. I cook healthy meals. We eat chicken, vegetables, and rice. During dinner, we share our favorite moments of the day. I ask them questions about school and friends. I like to know what they think. After dinner, we play games or watch a movie together. Sometimes, we go for a walk in the park. Liam rides his bike, and Emma pushes Noah in the stroller. We enjoy the fresh air and time together. Before bed, we read stories. I read to them every night. We choose a book together. I read about adventures and fantasy worlds. They love listening to the stories. It helps them relax and fall asleep. I feel lucky to have my children. They bring joy and laughter to my life. They teach me new things every day. I learn from their curiosity and imagination. They make me a better person. I support my children in everything they do. I attend their school events and soccer games. I cheer for them and encourage them to try their best. I want them to know I believe in them. My children teach me the importance of love and kindness. They remind me to enjoy the little things. We have fun together, and we laugh a lot. I cherish every moment with them. In conclusion, my children are the best part of my life. They fill my heart with happiness. I am proud to be their mother. I hope to create many more wonderful memories with them. I look forward to watching them grow and succeed. They are my joy, my pride, and my everything.